Hi guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to explain how you can solve Surdic equations. So, what do I mean by Surdic equations? Surdic equation is an equation involving surd. Surdic equation. So, when you have equation in form of radical and you want to find the value of unknown involving a such equation, then you have what? A Surdic equation. For example, let's say I have this kind of equation, root x minus 2 minus 3 is equal to 0. You will see that this is a Surdic equation. So the radical is in form of x. So then we are asked to find x here. Then how do you find x? It's not difficult to do. Just ensure you get rid of this radical and find the values of the unknown. Okay, let me solve this for you. Number one, we have root x minus 2 minus 3 is equal to 0. So since we are interested in finding the value of x, then you can just collect the lifetime or get rid of all those variable or all those quantities, that is not allowing us to get the value of x. So one of them is this, you can bring this guy here. Then this one will give me x minus 2 is equal to 3. What is left after that is this radical square root, which you can actually get rid of as well. You can just say square both sides. So then if you square both sides, then I'm going to have square root of s minus 2 squared is equal to 3 squared. So this guy will cancel this. Then I have s minus 2 is equal to, what is 3 squared? 3 squared will give me 9. You understand now? So if you now continue further, then you are going to see that S is equal to what? 9 plus 2, which is equal to 11. You understand now? So as you can see, if you check, if you just substitute the value of x here to be 11, then I'm going to have 11 minus 2 minus 3. 11 minus 2 will give me what? Root 9 minus 3, which is 3 minus 3. That's 0. That's how you can solve Surdic equation. Let me give you the one that is more complicated. So I have square root of 2x plus 1. Let me write it very well. If square root of 2x plus 1 plus root 2x minus 1 is equal to 2, find x. So to do that is not difficult. Again, you have square root of 2x plus 1 plus square root of 2x minus 1 is equal to 2. Again, don't forget, we are interested in finding what? The value of x, then you have to get rid of the radical. So to do that is not difficult. What you can do to get rid of the radical is to square the both sides. But if you check it very well, if I square both sides of this guy, I'm going to have like a complicated time. Why not split it and bring one of it here so that you have a less cumbersome expression in both sides? So although if you like, you can do that together, but that will take much of your time. But if you split them so that you have, a not cumbersome expression, so then that will be very easy for you to solve. So then you can have square root of 2x plus 1 is equal to 2 minus square root of 2x minus 1. Then you can just say square both sides. And if you square both sides, I'm going to have root 2x plus 1 squared is equal to 2 minus root 2x minus 1 squared. You see that this guy will cancel this. So, but you have to expand this because you cannot say this cancel this, right? If you expand this, then I'm going to have 2x plus 1 is equal to 4 minus 4 root 2x minus 1 plus 2x minus 1. I hope you understand how I obtained that. You have 2 minus root 2x plus minus 1. 2 minus root 2x minus 1. So then if you expand 2 times 2, you are going to have 4 minus 2 root 2s minus 1 minus 2 root 2s minus 1, then minus times minus plus root 2s minus 1, everything squared. So, and square we cancel the square root. So that's how I obtain that. Let me just clean it. Okay, if you now proceed further, then I'm going to have here that 2x plus 1 is equal to 4 minus 4 root 2x minus 1 plus 2x minus 1. You understand now? So, and if you collect the like time, you see that this guy, the moment you bring it here, or let me just do it. So you have 2x plus 1 minus 4 minus 2s plus 1 is equal to minus 4 root 2s minus 1. I hope you understand now. So then this guy cancel this guy. 1 plus 1 is 2. 2 minus 4, that is minus 2. Then you have minus 2 is equal to minus 4 root 2s minus 1. I hope you understand. This guy will cancel this guy. So if you now square both sides to get rid of this radical, then you have 2 square is equal to 4 root 2s minus 1, everything squared. That is 4 is equal to 16, 2s minus 1. So if you proceed further, or you just divide through by 4, this one will be 1 is equal to 4, 2x minus 1. You understand now? Then you have 2s minus 1 is equal to 1 over 4 when you divide through by 4. Then 2s will now be 1 over 4 plus 1. So 2s is equal to 5 over 4. So therefore, this implies that your s is equal to what? So 5 over 4 multiplied by 1 over 2, which is equal to 5 over 8. So which is equal to 5 over 8. So you will see that this how you will what? This how we find, a Surdic equation. Just get rid of the radical and solve the corresponding what? So the corresponding equation. So if you understand, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. I will see you in the next video. Thank you.